Have you ever wondered how the accounting skills you use every day could do more than just keep the books balanced? What if those same skills could open the door to extra income, flexible opportunities, or even financial independence? Today, we're exploring practical ways to turn your accounting expertise into side income streams. From freelancing and consulting to creating digital products or teaching others, there are many ways to leverage what you already know. Whether your goal is to supplement your salary or build a full-fledged side business, these strategies can help you turn your knowledge into real financial impact. Freelancing as a virtual bookkeeper is one of the most accessible ways to turn accounting skills into side income. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help keeping their financial records accurate but don't have the budget for a full-time accountant. This creates steady demand for reliable bookkeepers who can work on a flexible schedule. As a virtual bookkeeper, you can offer services like managing accounts, reconciling bank statements, tracking expenses, preparing monthly financial reports, and even handling payroll. The scope of work depends on each client, giving you the freedom to specialize in areas you're strongest in, whether that's e-commerce, freelancers, or small service-based businesses. Finding clients is easier than ever. Freelance platforms, professional networks, and social media make it simple to connect with business owners who need bookkeeping support. As you build a track record and collect positive feedback, your credibility grows and so does your earning potential. Beyond extra income, freelancing offers flexibility and control. You choose who you work with, when you work, and how much you take on. Because the work is remote, you can do it from anywhere. Over time, what starts as a side hustle can grow into a full virtual bookkeeping business. Creating digital templates or spreadsheets is a powerful way to turn accounting skills into a scalable income stream. If you enjoy organizing data and building efficient systems, digital products allow you to earn beyond trading time for money. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. Popular templates include budget trackers, cash flow planners, invoice generators, expense trackers, and financial dashboards. You can also increase value by designing templates for specific industries, such as real estate, retail, or freelancers, making your products more targeted and useful. These templates can be sold on online marketplaces or through your own website. Promoting them with tutorial videos, blog content, or social media demos helps potential buyers understand their value. Bundling related templates into complete financial toolkits can also increase both appeal and pricing. One of the biggest benefits of digital products is their passive income potential. After they're listed, they can generate revenue while you focus on other work. Over time, building a library of high-quality templates can create consistent income and position you as an expert in practical financial solutions. Consulting for startups and small businesses is another effective way to turn accounting expertise into additional income. Many business owners struggle with financial planning, tax compliance, and cash flow management, and your knowledge can help them avoid costly mistakes and build a more stable foundation. Consulting goes beyond numbers. It's about guiding better decisions that support long-term growth. As a consultant, you can offer a wide range of services. These may include setting up accounting systems, creating budgets, forecasting revenue and expenses, advising on tax strategies, and identifying ways to reduce costs. You can also help with pricing decisions, financial reporting, and compliance, allowing business owners to focus on growing their operations. Consulting offers flexible billing options. You can charge hourly, work on a retainer, or price projects based on scope, depending on what works best for you and your clients. This flexibility makes it easier to manage multiple engagements and gradually scale your side income. Over time, consulting helps build your authority and professional reputation. Strong client results and referrals can lead to higher value projects and long-term relationships. By delivering real value, you're not just providing accounting services, you're positioning yourself as a trusted advisor and building a brand that creates new opportunities. Offering online financial workshops is an effective way to turn your accounting skills into income while educating others. These workshops can be designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, or individuals who want to improve their personal finance knowledge. You can host live sessions or create pre-recorded courses that participants can access anytime, giving you flexibility and scalability. Workshop topics can range from budgeting and cash flow management to tax planning, debt management, and basic accounting principles. You can also target niche audiences, such as e-commerce sellers or freelancers, by providing strategies that are directly relevant to their financial challenges. There are many platforms that make hosting and selling workshops easy. Online tools allow you to deliver live sessions, sell recorded content, or offer subscription access. Including downloadable resources, exercises, or templates can increase engagement and add value for participants. Beyond revenue, online workshops help establish your authority in the finance space. As your audience grows, workshops can reach learners globally and scale far beyond one-on-one services. Over time, they can complement consulting and digital product sales, creating multiple income streams from your accounting expertise. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more accounting tips.